Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix search problem on Instagram feeds. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do first, just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps. Now click apps again and now type feeds. After that click force stop, go to storage and clear cache. After that your problem must be fixed, but if that doesn't fix your problem, then just go to feeds again and go to data usage. Make sure to turn on all of those and then turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, or you can just try to restart your phone and this may help you to fix your problem. And if all of those solutions doesn't fix your problem, so just try to uninstall this application. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.